Disable snap. The snap feature quickly lets you snap your sketch points to a predefined point in the sketch, but sometimes it can be needed to disable this feature. To do this, simply hold down Ctrl when sketching and the snap feature is disabled. Release the Ctrl key and the snap options is once again enabled. Snap to grid lines. Sometimes the snap feature can help you control the length and angle of your sketch. To do this, hold down the Shift while sketching. The line will snap to the nearest minor grid line as well as the nearest snap angle. These grid lines can easily be configured in Document Properties, Grid Snap, and in System Options, Sketch Relations Snaps. Power Extend. When using the Power Trim tool, you can trim lines to the closest line. However, if you hold down the Shift key while the Power Trim is active, you get the Power Extend that extends the line to your nearest line.